Ready? For part 2 of our workout today, we're gonna use a table. We can use a stepping stool. We can use a small one for the purpose of this video. I'm just gonna be using this big one, but we can have a small stepping stool, or even the ladders of our house or something like that. We can use that for this exercise. So we're gonna do step ups for 1 minute, just like this. We don't need such a big stool, but just for today, we're gonna be using this one. If needed, we can use a chair for stability, and right here. Again, step ups, just nice and easy. That's gonna be for 1 minute. Then our 3 exercises today, for the part 2, is gonna be side lunges. So side lunges, we're gonna be here. We're gonna start here. So side, come back to the other side, then come back. Lunges, let me move this. Right here, right here. Those are side lunges. Then we're gonna do some sumo squats. For the sumo squats, we're just gonna have a bigger stance, probably a bit wider than our shoulders, and it's gonna be just a simple squat, but with a wider stance. Those are sumo squats. We can also use a chair. When we're sitting, let's have a bigger, let's open our legs a little bit more, and go up, come down, go up, down. Those are sumo squats. And the last one, we're gonna be doing push-ups. We can do it on the floor if we want to. Just regular push-up. We can use our knees, or we can even use the wall. Do some wall push-ups. Whichever one's easier for you today. We're gonna do first step ups for 1 minute, just 1 set, and then we're gonna continue with those 3 exercises: the sumo squats, side lunges, and the push-ups. 12 repetitions each for three rounds. So let's start first with our step ups. 1 minute, put the clock, and start. Just make sure when we're going up, we extend our knees. We don't need such a big stool, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using this one. We can use the first step of our ladders if we have a 2-story house, or we can use a small stepping stool. Got 20 more seconds. Let's keep going. Make sure we're extending those knees when we go up. And last one. Good. Time. Next, we're gonna do our side lunges. We're gonna start here. We're gonna move our leg to the side and squat. Come back, If we need, we can make some space. Start here, move our leg to the side, and squat. We're gonna do that 12 times. So 6 on the right side, 6 on the left side. And so let's begin. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12. Good. We're gonna do some sumo squats now. Like I said, a little bit wider stance, just outside our shoulders. Like in the regular squats, let's try not to bring those knees in front of our toes. And 12 repetitions. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12. Good. The next one's going to be push-ups. Again, 12 repetitions. Our hands or arms shoulder width apart. Have our back straight and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Pretty good. Now, let's try to do in between the rounds. Let's try to do 3 deep breaths. So let's take the first one. Inhale. Exhale. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. Exhale. Good. Let's try to relax. If you need some water, you can get some water. If you need to take a little bit of more breaths, we can do that. If not, let's continue with the second round of these 3 exercises. First one is going to be side lunges. Again, 12 repetitions. I'm going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, and 12. Perfect. Next one, we're going to do sumo squats. 12 repetitions again. For this one, we're going to use the chair for explanation. Again, sumo squats, wider stance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you need it, you can use this chair, wider stance, and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, and 12. Perfect. We're going to do our third exercise, push-ups. We can use normal push-ups, we can use our knees, or we can do some wall push-ups. I'm just going to use normal push-ups and knee push-ups for explanation. Let's go. So again, 12 repetitions. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're going to use your knees. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12. Perfect. We finish another round. Again, let's take 3 deep breaths. First one. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Again. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Perfect. We can do that in between rounds. We can do that in between the warm-ups, whenever you need it. Let's make sure we keep breathing, and if needed, stay hydrated and drink some water. So let's continue with our last round of part 2. Again, those 3 exercises: side lunges, sumo squats, and push-ups. So again, start with the side lunges, 12 repetitions, and this is going to be 1, 2, come back to the same position, extend, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we need on the side lunges as well, we can grab the chair for stability. We can put it on front, grab it from here, and continue with our lunges like that. Just simple side lunge if needed. So we were on 6. Let's continue. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, and 12. Perfect. Next one, sumo squats. We can use a chair. I'm going to skip that one for now. 12 sumo squats. Wider stance, a little bit outside of shoulders. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, and 12. Perfect. Now let's continue with or push-ups. We can do regular push-ups, wall push-ups, knee push-ups, whichever one's easier for you. Now let's do some knee push-ups. That's 12. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do some wall push-ups as well. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, and 12. Perfect. That concludes part 2 of our workout today. Let's move on to part 3. We're ready for part 3. After we took some water, we took some deep breaths, we continue for part 3. Part 3 consists of 2 things: speed and agility exercises and some core exercises as well. We're going to start with the speed and agility first. It's going to be 2 exercises. The first one is going to be just side shuffle. We're going to be shuffling side to side for 1 minute. The other one is going to be the box drill or 4-cone box drill. You can put 4 cones if you need to, or you can just imagine a square around you. What that consists of is just going to be moving to the corners of the square. So it would say right, you're just going to move right, come back, left, come back, right, come back, left, come back, and we keep doing that for 1 minute. Those 2 exercises, we're going to do 3 rounds. So let's start with the first one. It's going to be 1 minute of each exercise. So first, we're going to start with our side shuffles. 1 minute, and let's start. So just be shuffling side to side. Let's make sure we bring our hips down. We bend our knees a little bit. And we start shuffling side to side. Keep going. 30 more seconds. We don't have to be super fast. We're gonna be building up with time. Just keep it up at your own pace. Fifteen more seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're good. As you now, we can take a deep breath, or we can continue on with the next exercise. Let's take just a deep breath, exhale, and let's continue with the box drill. It's going to be as well 1 minute, and let's start. So right up, right left, back right, back left, again, up right, up left, back left, back right, okay, up right, up left, back right, back left, up right, up left, back right, back left. We got 20 more seconds to continue. Just make sure to always come back to the beginning and go. Reset, go. Reset, go. Reset, go. Last 2. Reset, go. Last 1. And we're good. In between rounds again, let's take 3 deep breaths. And then we can continue with the second round. Exhale. Again. Exhale. Breath. And exhale. Good. Let's continue with our second round. Another side shuffles for 1 minute again. And let's start. Again, let's make sure we're dropping up hips. Let's make sure we're bending our knees. And you can keep it at your own pace. With practice, you're going to be able to do it faster and faster with time. You don't have to be super fast. This is just to be better, get better at agility, and get faster as well. We're almost there. Five more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and good. Perfect. Let's continue with our box drill. Again, we go up right, up left. We always reset. Reset, back right, reset, back left. Let's continue that for 1 minute. And let's begin. Upright, reset, on the left, reset, back right, reset, back left, reset. Let's continue doing the same thing. Same thing with the side shuffles. Let's make sure we're dropping our hips, bending those knees. And again, we don't have to be super fast. We're gonna be building up speed and agility the more we practice. Again, reset, back, almost there, 10 more seconds. Last one, and perfect. That's the second round. Let's take 3 deep breaths and inhale, exhale again, another one, and exhale. Perfect. We got 1 more round of these 2 exercises. Again, side shuffles and box drill. Let's start again. If you need to drink some water, you can drink some water. If you need to take more breaths, that's fine. When you're ready, we will continue to the other round. Those 2 exercises again. After we breathe, we're gonna do side shuffles for 1 minute, box drill another minute, and that's gonna conclude our speed and agility part of the workout. So if you're ready, let's continue with those side shuffles. 1 minute, and the feet. Just 1 minute. We're on the 30-second mark. Drop those hips, bend those knees, back straight. Do it at your own pace. You're gonna be, the more you do it, the better you're gonna get at it. So 15 more seconds. Okay, let's keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and perfect. We're done with that one. Again, we're going to do the box drill again for 1 minute. Take a deep breath. If you need some water, bring some water. When you're ready, let's start. Box drill again, and begin. Go up, reset, go up, reset, go down, reset, go down, reset. Do the same thing again. Make sure we're bending those knees. Make sure we're dropping those hips. Again, do it at your own pace. We're almost there. 30 more seconds. Perfect. Ten more seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're good. Perfect. We finished with the speed and agility part of our workout. We're gonna take deep breaths. We're gonna take 3 again. Exhale. Again. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. Perfect. Now let's move on to the core exercises today. After we're done with the speed agility test, we're gonna continue on with the core exercises. Today we have 3 core exercises. The first one is gonna be leg swings. The second one, flutter kicks. And the third one is gonna be raised leg twists. We're gonna do those 3 times, 3 rounds for 10 repetitions each. And let me show you the leg swings. We're going to be here on the floor, and we're going to be moving our legs side to side. 12 repetitions. If we need, we can put a mat on here just to feel more comfortable. The second one, flutter kicks. We're going to be laying down, bring those legs up, and start kicking. So again, we need flutter kicks. We're going to do 12 repetitions. And the last one is going to be raised leg twist. Same thing. We're going to lay on our back. We're going to lay on our butt, raise your legs, and move side to side. We're going to do 12 repetitions of each exercise, 3 rounds. So let's begin the first core exercise, leg swings, 12 repetitions. We're going to lay on our back, raise those legs, and move side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Perfect. Second exercise, 12 repetitions as well. Flutter kicks. Again, lay down on the back. Raise those legs. And kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Perfect. The last one, raised leg twist, 12 repetitions as well, 6 on each side. Lay on your butt, raise those legs, and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Perfect. We can take a little breath, we can take some water, and we can continue with the second round. Again, the same 3 exercises, 12 repetitions each. The first one, leg swings, lay on your back, and let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Perfect. The second exercise, flutter kicks. Lay on our back again. And let's kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Awesome. Last one of this second round. 12 repetitions. Leg twist. And let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 12. 12. Perfect. Let's take a deep breath, grab some water, and let's continue with the third round of these 3 core exercises. Let's continue with the third round of our core exercises. We're going to be doing the same 3 leg swings, flutter kicks, and leg twist, 12 repetitions each. When we're ready, let's begin. First one, leg swings, 12 repetitions, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12. Perfect. We're going to move on to the second exercise, flutter kicks. Again, 12 repetitions. Let's lay on our back. Legs up. And 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Awesome. Let's go on to the third one. Leg twist. 12 repetitions. And let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. We're done with part 3 of our workout today. When we're ready, let's move on to part 4.